and hear the story. So, are you like the better half of John, or
no,
you just know
John's
John?
a single man.
Huh?
I do paint classes here for John.
Oh.
And his mom and I hostess at the gallery. So.
Wow.
So anyway, no.
So he is still doing?
Yes, he lives outside of town, and he's continuing to work. Right now he's working on a longhorn steer that's going to Watford City.
Oh, so he does commissions.
Most of his work is commissioned. He has a home before he starts. The lion he did out here, he did just because he wanted to, he said. But he's already thinking that it's going to go to a show in Italy.
Wow,
So,
this is amazing.
Yeah, the buffalo at the end of Main Street, I don't know if you saw that.
Yes.
When you came in. That's actually going to Fort Pierre.
Fort Pierre?
Yeah, they're just not quite ready for it yet, so we get to enjoy it while they wait.
Well, I'm glad we were here.
Yeah.
Because
Is he also then the one that's doing the mural on the side of the wall?
Actually, a lot of the murals were painted by some friends of his from Nigeria that come during the summer most often. It's been a couple years since they've been here, but they are the ones that did that.
Jim and Linda were actually from up in the Turtle Mountains, North Dakota, right by the Canadian border, Lake Metagoshi. And I'm a photographer, and we go out. We decided we wanted to go see all of Dakota.
Okay.
In fact, and tell some of the stories. Like in North Dakota, Jamestown, they have a territorial courthouse. And that territorial courthouse, the story behind it is where they decided to make the lines from, well, actually they even thought of an east and west North Dakota at one time, but north and south.
Okay.
And that whole story behind it. So it's,
interesting.
yeah, so we're headed down to the Black to see if we can get some fall colors and
it
good
should be
photos.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's Spearfish Canyon and stuff.
Wow. So you teach painting?
Paint classes, yes.
Wow.
It's kind of just like a sip and paint, but we do it 2 nights, once a month.
Wow.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
All of it.
I think John's being here and his involvement in the community has gotten everybody to look at themselves and say, I can do something. I'm creative, you know.
And
so
use that creative mind, you know.
Right. So I think everybody's, changed their way of thinking about that, and it's just been great.
Oh yeah, because we're involved over in Grand Forks. There's a gallery. It's called Art for Vets, and it's not just for veterans arts, but
well, it's very healing.
it is. That's the whole. That's how it started.
Very
Is a lot of these guys that can't tell their horror stories can paint them.
Right.
And I'm a Vietnam vet, but this here is a whole.
Yeah.
I mean, like Linda said, how does he decide this piece would be very?
Exactly. Yeah.
How does he? Does he have a junkyard he goes to, or where's he get all that stuff?
He has rummaged junk piles for a 100-mile radius.
I bet.
And if he's working on something and knows if it's something particular he's looking for, he'll just put it on Facebook, and he'll probably end up with 3 or 4 of them because people are so open to sharing their junk.
Well, it looks like it's given him opportunities for very interesting travels around the world.
Oh yes, he's been everywhere. Yeah.
This isn't the buffalo down on the street, is it?
No, it's not. That one is in Rapid City at Dakota Steakhouse.
Now, this here, though, looks like a photo, but some painting. Is that what it is?
It could be a little Photoshop. A lot of them, when he first started, he would just pull them out onto the prairie and take pictures.
Oh, this looks great anyway.
But,
it's beautiful.
Yeah. For example, that one, I think he just pulled it out there and...
I love this.
Yeah, and that is the artist in the picture. That is him.
Wow. So is he a young man?
He's about 54.
Oh, he's young to me.
Yeah.
Wow.
So John was a bronze sculptor before he became a scrap iron sculptor. So the pieces that you see worked in his are bronzes that he actually did. And when doing bronze work, you carve out of clay or mold out of clay. And so he still does that for pieces that he's going to do in a scrap iron so that he gets the proportions correct.
Amazing. So all of these faces are
his work.
his work, bronze work, but from like a picture, so they're accurate face.
Right, right.
Wow.
So it's hard to tell. In this one, it's turned the other way. You can see, like, there's a buffalo up here. That's John's. On the other side of this, we're just seeing the backside. It's actually Mount Rushmore, is what it is.
Oh, really?
Facing the other way, but a bronze of it.
Oh, I gotta come back.
Worked into it. So this one is at the Dakota Steakhouse in Rapid. If you're headed to
Yeah, we're going
Rapid
to.
City.
We are. We're going to.
you
Yeah,
might
we'll
wanna
stop
eat there.
through.
This one is in Hill City. And this is maybe one of his earlier ones. It's been there for quite a while.
Wow. So that's
Here.
right in Hill City.
Here, this is that same buffalo, only now here you can see the Mount Rushmore up in there. Can you see that?
Oh, wow. Wow. Can't get it focused there. Wow. This is what you call fortuitous. That we
Right.
rounded the corner where you were open. It's amazing.
Yeah, and a lot of the other galleries are museums in town are closed, but John decided to stay open until the end of October just because the weather has been
I'm so glad because we thought this. I saw it. I don't know where I saw it, and I said we're going through Lemon and
Right.
the whole thing and
Yeah.
the Hugh Glass thing, but we thought that museum down out there on the main road was this. Oh man, such a disappointment, you know, because it's
No.
got two of them out there,
Yeah,
or one of them, and yeah.
right. Well, and this is the Hugh Glass sculpture that John did.
Yeah,
and that
where's-
one is housed at the Grand River Museum. But this is
So it's
gonna-
inside the
it's
museum.
inside the museum.
Grand River
So we will
Museum.
have-
That's the one on the end of Main Street. that
Oh,
you maybe
that's the
stopped
one.
at, yeah.
Oh.
So there's a dinosaur outside and this is housed inside.
Oh, I would love to get some pictures of that. I mean, just amazing.
Yeah, there is one in front of our high school too, which is about a block north of Highway 12 where you'll see the swimming pool in that area. If you go a block north, you'll go by the high school.
Well, he's been busy too. I mean, like, how many of these has he? They're just.
This is the one, the last stand.
This is called The Last Stand, yes.
This is amazing.
Yes. This
And-
one he said took about 3 years, but I think he was working on this building at the same time. And so almost all of John's pieces either tell a story or they have things in them that pertain to the area where they're going. If you look close at the buffalo at the end of Main Street, there's lots of South Dakota things in that. So for this one, of course, those are his bronzes. This is the clay that he did for that bust. But here, Sitting Bull talked to the animals and the animals talked to him. So there is a meadowlark up under the headdress there talking in his ear. Sitting Bull at a young age and also right before this battle had a dream or a vision and horses were falling from the sky, and so that's what this pertains to. The horse at the very top is a cavalry horse because it has a saddle and a bridle. It's
And
different.
yeah.
And that's to signify the lone survivor of that battle. There are eagles on both of them. However, that one has been wounded. It has arrows in it. Over here, Sitting Bull went with the intention of peace, and the olive branch and the turtle are native signs of peace. However, that's not what he got handed. There is a larger skull in the claws of the eagle over there because that was Custer's intent all along. And then the train, the engine there on the back hip because the railroad was all part of the conflict.
I should go. I'm gonna have to go get my camera, my reel. camera, taking
Yeah.
pictures that
Yeah.
tell this
So,
story.
here he has a little write-up, and I like this part. It says, each of the two sculptures represents one man and his mission during a monumentous clash between two cultures.
Wow,
So, yeah, it's pretty cool.
unbelievable
Very
cool.
cool.